When ballots or votes are cast in which a voter has the opportunity to rank several candidates according to who they prefer, when the ballots are collected, we can summarize the results of the voting in what is known as a preference table. And that's what we're going to do in this first example here. So this one says, the fashion club at your school held its annual design contest. The preference tables for the best casual wear design are shown. The student candidates are Lauren L., Molly M., Nadia N., and Olivia O. Make a preference table and an alternate preference table displaying the results of the voting. And of course, what we see here is these are the ballots that were cast. And for this first one here, you can see on this ballot, since they can rank the candidates, this particular ballot ranked L, that's Lauren first, ranked Olivia second, that's O, Nadia third, and then Molly fourth. So these are all the ballots that were cast. And if we count up all these ballots, we'll count up 27 ballots. And I'm just going to put this up here. There's 27. That means there were 27 people who voted. And this is the individual ballots and how they ranked everybody. So to summarize all this, I'm just going to put here the number of voters. In total, there were 27. And then over here is the ranking. So we have our first choice. Here's our second choice, our third choice, and then our fourth. So now if I start with this first ballot here, you can see Lauren was first, Olivia second, Nadia third, and then Molly fourth. And I'm just going to mark it here. This is how I'm going to keep order of it, because this is one of the ballots. But here's another one right here. So this voter ranked these four candidates the same way as this one. So there's another one here. And all I'm going to do is tally up the ones that have L-O-N-M. Here's another one here. That's 3. Here's a fourth one. A fifth one. Here's one right here. Here's a sixth one. And here's one right here. That's 7. So there were 7 ballots. And I'm just going to write it up here, the number of voters. There were 7 voters who ranked Lauren first, Olivia second, Nadia third. Here's the third choice. And then Molly fourth. And then we do that for each one of the ballots here. So if we move on to the second ballot, I have O-L-M-N. So now there's probably more than just one that's going to be like that. So I'm going to go here. Here's one here, O-L-M-N. Here's a second one. A third one. Fourth. Fifth. And sixth. So I think we got them all. So there were 6 voters who ranked Olivia first, Lauren second, Molly third, and then Nadia fourth. We'll move on to the next one here. This is O-M-L-N. Olivia first, Molly second, then Lauren, then Nadia. So here's one here. 2. Here's a third one and a fourth one. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. So here we have 9 ballots cast, or 9 voters, who ranked Olivia first, then Molly, then Lauren, then Nadia. We keep going. Here's this one here, Molly, Lauren, Nadia, and Olivia. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 ballots cast that had Molly first, then Lauren, then Nadia, then Olivia. Now there are 27 votes cast, so if we add up 7 and 6, that's 13. and then 9, that's 22, and then 5, there's our 27 ballots cast. So this is the preference table. That's this one right here. That represents or sums up how everyone voted. Now, an alternate preference table is, rather than have the number of voters, we're going to have the candidates. And then what we're going to have here is, rather than have the number of voters here, we're going to have the first choice, the second, the third, and the fourth. It displays the same information. It just shows it a little bit differently. We have Lauren. I'm just going to put in L, Molly, Nadia, and then Olivia. So for Lauren here, how many first place votes did she get? Here she is here. She got 7. Molly, how many first place votes did she get? She got 5. Nadia, how many first place votes did she get? She didn't get any. So I'll put in 0. And then Olivia, how many first place votes, their first choice votes did she get? Well, she got 6 and 9, and 6 and 9 is 15. Then we do the same for second place. So Lauren, how many second choice votes did she get? She's got 6 and 5. That's 11. Molly, how many second place votes or second choice votes did she get? She got 9. Nadia did not get any. And Olivia got 7. Then for the third choice votes, Lauren got 9. Molly got 6. Nadia got 7 and 5. That's 12. And Olivia did not get any. And then for the fourth choice ranking, the fourth choice preference, Lauren did not get any. Molly got 7. Nadia, 6 and 9 got 15. And Olivia got 5. If we add up 7, 5, and 15, it comes out to be 27. If we add up each one of these columns, they'll come out to be the total number of ballots that were cast. And this is our alternate preference table. And there we go.